cute little nice place to eat, which is full of people everywhere. Wow. Now again, I have some memories from the country. I think one of the streets in Malaysia
Right.
was like this. People were sitting in open. It was a smaller street. It was a smaller street. They were eating and small things. I don't know Thailand or Malaysia. I'm confused a bit. Malaysia and Malacca city. So that's interesting. And that is their main building. Gulab Ji, sorry. That is their main building, but everybody is sitting outside and enjoying the. Yeah, but it is bun maska. This one is bun samosa.
This is one samosa, one must.
This poha is originally from Maharashtra. Somehow I don't know Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh means the central part of India, and Rajasthan as breakfast. Rajasthan day 1, Jaipur. Now we are heading to Hawa Mahal. Our first destination is Hawa Mahal. Let's check out. Now the pink city will start after this gate.
So we are in Hawa Mahal, which is so famous that there is no actually hand of other foreigners country in this architecture. in this
Interesting
building.
information.
But as I was looking through when they were coming from the pink city, I understood one thing, and I mentioned at you that it is a combination of the many religions that they have been in India from the beginning. For example, like Punjab, like I mean Sikh people, Muslim people, Hindu people. So from the beginning, they were all together.
So you mean you see the unity color of different religions and culture,
Exactly.
and there is an Albert museum also. So it means maybe Christian thing also there. Good observation.
Right?
And by the way, it's called Palace of Wind.
Palace of
Palace of Wind.
No, because of
Hawa
this.
means wind.
Right.
Right. So
Others.
no, it's not the
Minar,
one.
Minar, I know, but
You
from
will
the
be
beginning.
amazed when you see. Let's go.
Oh, you mean they were looking outside from this?
Yes, something like that.
So guys, this is disappointing things that I have seen in many part of this Hava Mahal. So see.
So there is a word in Farsi, there is a word in Persian which is called poru.
Poru.
Poru. Poru people have done that. Sorry. Let's educate each other. Let's stop Poru people from doing such things. Art abuse at such
Yes. Let's keep this
beautiful.
art. Keep the history of the country. Let's just save it.
Let's
if
save
we
it.
cannot do anything, then at least let's just save it.
Let's just save it. Correct. Wow. Look at the wall. Huge. Like a stadium.
Wow, right.
And Nahargarh Fort is still there.
What is the name? Nahargarh Fort.
That is a small fortress there on the hilltop.
Wow.
That is called
Wow.
Nahargarh Fort. Oh, people are going till the up. Honestly speaking, because of you, I could come inside, this monument, Hawa Mahal. Because each time I came to Jaipur, 3 times I came to Jaipur in the past,
Wow.
and we could just see it from outside. Wow, very good Hawa Mahal, and we passed from there. I came with my friends, few times. But because you are into architecture, you like to appreciate these things, go inside these, architectural monuments with great architecture. So yes, so I could, because of you, I am experiencing this, honestly speaking, and it's enjoyable, honestly speaking. Actually, this is the architecture I was talking about yesterday. The windows were like this. So women
Yes.
from these palaces, they could see, as you can see, they can see outside what is there,
Right.
But somebody who is standing outside the fort, this mahal, he cannot see them. He cannot
Wow,
look at
wow,
the
wow.
person who is standing behind
They
these
don't
windows.
understand that
Somebody is watching them, because it's like this. It's like this, something
Wow,
like this. Yes.
interesting.
What is it?
The time that the Indian people they are doing puja, they have this sound, they make it like this sound. What do you guys do?
Manjire, chhach, mazire, manjire.
They are small and they sound like this. And that one is also sitar. And that one is this. Tabla.
Dhola,
Dola.
manjira. Wow, one more observation, babe. Come. Even in that time, 14th century, babe, even in 14th century, they have electric switches here.
What the heck?
They were so advanced civilization. Wow.
Yeah, but
Yeah. The good side of it. Oru people have done the art abuse also. Wherever they see, the problem is wherever people see corners, they just go and
even
they
now
love
I know.
corners.
Before I didn't know that what is it. I just saw in the movies that they are doing something, but now I know. So
I thought he was. Guess what? Today she was asking. She saw that advertisement of Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan, and Shah Rukh Khan. She was saying, "What is this? What is this?" Then I explained her the whole thing, Juba Kesari concept. Wow. So I think this is the last floor, the topmost floor. Yes, that's the topmost floor. You can see the Jaipur city from here. And look at the clouds.
look at here.
And look at here. And here. And guys, Hawa Mahal has a metro station also. Badi Chopper. Badi Chopper metro station. And the reason I am sharing this, yeah, buses are city buses. The reason I would like to share with our audience that we didn't know. We didn't know there is a metro. They have puppet also.
पिक्चर है
पब्लिक कैसे हटाओगे?
आपके फोन पे ही हटा देते हैं
अच्छा,
हाँ पब्लिक को हटा देते हैं पब्लिक आए तो पैसे नहीं देना सर आओ एक डेमो दिखाते हैं डेमो का
demo. He will remove the public, he is saying.
Wow.
किसके फोन में? मेरे फोन में?